Welcome, in front of me is a myPhone Iron 3, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon to go into the settings. From here, scroll down till you see storage, and in here you should see your SD card. Tap on it. Let's see. Let's go Files, I assume. Let's go once just in case. And from here, tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, and you'll find Format. Tap on it. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card. And if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or well, you don't care about the data on it, tap on Format SD card. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one. It only takes about 5 seconds to 10. Should be right about done. There we go. Click on done, and you're finished with the process. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.